mean to you when someone says, are you investing in yourself? What is the first thing you think of when you hear the words, I need to invest in myself? Or are you investing in yourself? Or how much are you investing in yourself? There's different things that people are saying. And I just want to get this out here for you guys real quick. So what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear that? That you need to invest in yourself. And then you're thinking, well, how can I invest in myself? What do I need to do to invest in myself? What is the secret key, right? What is the one thing that you can do that is going to take you to that level, to take you to the next course, to the next seminar, to the next level of your business, to bringing in the next revenue? Maybe you need multiple income streams, which of course you do. If you're going to make any kind of a business itself, then you need more than one income stream to make that to be more profitable, unless you have just a coaching business. But even with that, you're going to trail off into different programs. You're going to maybe sell books. You're going to sell, maybe different tutorials. You're going to sell different things. So that is another facet of a business. So in that case, you would have two income streams coming in from that. So when you're willing to invest in yourself, and I mean read inspirational books, read motivational books, read how-to books, and not just that, but go to seminars. And one of the key things you can do is to be with people, join groups of people. I don't mean just go join a group. I mean join a community of people where they're already doing it. Where else are you going to get those great insights? And where else are you going to get the information you need where it's not going to get charged every single time somebody gives you a tidbit, or every time somebody gives you an option, or somebody gives you something? It's not going to charge you every time when you join a community of people that are doing this. Maybe you have a membership. So what's that? Easy breezy, right? So one thing I want you to start telling yourself, and I want you to start doing this every single day, is it's not over till I win. The journey is not over. The fight is not over. Whatever you're working on and however you're doing this, it is not over until you win. When you are the winner, when you are foremost in what you're doing and how you're doing it, when you are that person that is right there, that's when you've made the success. When you win, that part of your journey is done. You won. You're there. You've created. You've made it happen. It's came forward for you, and it is where you want it to be. But the key is, you are the magic key. The main key to whatever you want to do and whatever you want to create, you are the key. How much you learn, what you learn, how much you implement, the action you take. You see, the key word is you. You are the key. So if you say it's not over till I win, you're saying it to yourself, and it's not over until you are the winner. You look at everybody else out there who's crushing it, who's making it, wherever the latest word is for, just making it happen or bringing it forward and constantly gaining momentum and growing their business and taking the steps and constantly doing it day after day after day after day. Because there is no Monday through Friday. There's not. You think, hey, okay, I've got a home business. I work at home. Nobody tells me what to do. That's a given. But the thing is, when you really realize it, there is no Monday through Friday. There is no I work 5 days and get 2 days off. That's not how you make a successful business. And do you know, the more successful you get, the more you work and the less you sleep. Just because you see all these billionaires out there, you keep hearing about them, You keep hearing how they're doing this, they're traveling here, they're doing that. What they're not telling you is they are maybe traveling there, but what are they doing while they're traveling there? They're working. They've got a laptop. They've got a cell phone. They're working. They don't stop working. The kids are playing around their feet. Or kids are doing this or that. They're working. While they're enjoying the family, they're working. That's just how it is. There's no Monday through Friday. There's no, okay, this is my lazy time. This is great. This is awesome. You can take a few hours here or there, but you know what? The majority of your time is you're building this business. You're building this legacy. You're building this so you can spend more time with your family. And you can do that. You just won't be doing it all at once. So you don't look at spending, okay, you want to take this awesome vacation. Definitely take the awesome vacation. Go to the Bahamas. Go to an island. Have fun. But you're going to find, even though you're having fun and everyone's having a great time, you're also going to be working on your laptop. And what's wrong with that? Don't let anyone discourage you from taking that 30 minutes to do a broadcast, taking that 30 minutes to maybe have a coaching call with somebody that you need to talk with. Whatever it is, it doesn't have to take your whole vacation. It doesn't have to take the whole time. But you will find that the more you do this and the more you condition yourself to be that person and not to be the person that says, well, it's Monday to Friday and then Saturday and Sunday I go play. That doesn't work. I'm sorry, but I would love to tell you it does work, but it doesn't work. Because the magic key in whatever you want to do, the magic key that I love to give to people is you. You are the magic key because it's all about you, what you do, what your actions are. And when you accept the struggle that you have, the struggle, and there is a struggle. Anytime you have a home business, anytime you are reaching out there, there is a struggle. The question is, are you willing to put you out there and to make that struggle a benefit for what you want to create? Plain and simple. Right smack dab on the nose. There's no sugarcoating it. There's no ifs, ands, or buts or thinking about it. It's just the way it is. So enjoy your time. Enjoy your home business. Make it the home business that is profitable for you. There will always be struggles. Every time you go to another level, there's a struggle. Every time you add a new business stream, there's a struggle. Every time you add a new coaching client, there's a struggle. Every time you do something to grow. Maybe you went to a seminar and, it wasn't quite what you wanted, but it was what you wanted, but you got some out of it and you got a little bit of this, but it wasn't quite what you expected to get, and that's okay. Because you walked away with the gold nugget. You walked away with something that was helping you, and that's what seminars are for. They're to answer questions, they're to get you going, and also the more you absorb yourself in reading books. Reading and learning and listening to audio tapes if you want to, and that's fine too. That works great. I love to listen to audio because I can do a lot of things while I'm listening to audio. And I can get something else done while I'm listening to audio, and that makes it even better. Super great. Love it. So it's not over till I win. I want that to be your new mantra. Put that up on a post-it. Put it up on a plaque. Put it up on a cardboard. Whatever you want. Put it up there where you see it every day. It's not over till I win. Because you are taking the action. You are willing to invest in yourself, and you are investing in yourself. And you are reading, you are listening to audio, you are getting motivational books, you are motivational videos, whatever it is that cranks you, use that. You've already joined a group of people, not a group. Get with a community of people. Most of the groups out there, they're great. Join the ones that you want to have fun with. But you want to join with a group of people, maybe you have to pay a membership. If you do, then you know you're going to get solid gold information, And if you can get with a membership, with a company, with a group of people, a community, where say you pay a membership, a monthly fee, why not? Because you're going to get more value. Get with the ones that will give you training every day. Not the same training, but live training every single day. Why not? Why not have that inspiration in the morning? Why not have that where you need it? Why not have that to grow your business? How much faster will you grow when you put you, the magic key, into action? How much faster will you grow? How much faster will you start seeing success? Because it's not over till it's over. And then it's not over till I win. That is one of my favorite mantras. It's not over till I win. I may have struggle. I may have frustration, but I can, I will, and I must. I can, I will, I must. It's not over till I win. I want you to say that to yourself every single day. Use it as a mantra over and over and over. 10, 20, 30. Just keep going, keep going, keep going. You'll be surprised how this vibration will build up in you and will just make you so happy. So definitely take this to heart and definitely use this simple step. It's not over till it's over, and you are the magic key. Okay, please like and share this and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We want you to get all the value you can. I have a training down here for you in YouTube, and it will help take your business to the next step. Guaranteed. It's a given. All you have to do is take the action. That's it. Catch you later.